Give us a quick rep.
A what? Oh, a rep.
Oh, yeah.
Wait. Oh.
That looks so ridiculous. Oh, yeah, there we go.
Here we go, finished product. Stock part, well, stock from On3 part. I did not build that. From here back is what we built. Flex pipe, because there's no flex pipe in the entire system after the turbo. 3 to 4 inch adapter that we cut down the 3 to 5 inch to make the 3 to 4 inch. Straight piece of 4 inch. Little bend here, another little bend there just to pull it tight against the diff and sway bar. Then we got the 4 to 5 inch, which was made from that same adapter piece. And then we got 2 feet of 5 inch. And we got I added two hangers because that's the only hangers from about the middle of the car back. So support the whole system because it's kind of heavy now.
That is actually ridiculous looking. What did you do? What the heck?
Oh, it's perfect.
Oh, I love that I brought it up because
Freaking crazy!
It's so nice.
What the heck?
Man, it looks so good that
Dude,
it's brought up a little.
go like squat. Look at that!
Oh, it's so sick.
Actually, it doesn't look terrible.
I love it.
That is JDM.
Actually, like, from right here, it doesn't look too bad.
Well, of course, it looks amazing.
What the heck?
Now let's look like from the side.
You should have went bigger.
That looks pretty pedestrian, dude.
I just want us to start.
Okay. All right, let's go.
What do you want it to do?
Are you ready?
I'm ready. Oh, I'm so nervous.
Sell it. It's done now. That exhaust is so sick though. I'm so glad I put that on before we started it.
I want to hear it at like 4,000.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, that was probably loud. It's not that bad in there.
Oh, shut the fuck.
That
That was super loud. That looks badass. Coolant temps are good. You could try to just drive it up there, I don't know. And that noise is the freaking
Did you hear that?
things, yeah.
Oh my god.